Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic is integration, revision of this chapter. Today we discuss about properties of definite integral. Properties of definite integral. The topic related to exercise 7.11. In this topic there are 7 properties. First, P0 property. P0 property a to b f of x dx. It means a to b f of t dt. According to the first property, you can change the variable. If you change the variable, then there is no effect on the answer, according to the first property. Second property, that is P1, integration a to b f of x dx. When you interchange the limit, upper limit and lower limit, then the minus sign will come. Minus b to a f of x dx. Second property, that is integration a to b f of x dx. We use this property in the modulus function, greatest integer function, and the step deviation function, correct? Therefore, a to c and c to b f of x dx plus f of x dx. This is second property. We use this property in the modulus function. For example, now we take one example. With the help of example, you can understand this property. Integration 1 to 3, that is mod x minus 2 dx. We solve this question with the help of this property. Can you find the critical point in this property? Can you find the critical point? Critical point means where the graph of the function turn, that is stationary point, you can say. You know that x minus, put for this, for finding critical point, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. It means 2 is the breaking point. You know that, very well. Our function starts from 1 to 3 and 2 is the breaking point. So therefore, the limit 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. You can say limit 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. 2 is the breaking point where the graph turn. Clear? Now, in the left hand side, you can put the negative of the function, and in the right hand side, you can put positive of the function. Clear? For the simple question, you can solve yourself, because the derivative, integration of x square. Integration of x, very well, x square by 2, and the integration of 2, that 2x. Clear? This is property number second. Property number third, very important property. Most question asked in board examination. Property number P3, integration a to b f of x dx. In this property, we replace x by a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x. So therefore you can say a plus b minus x dx. A to b. This is property number P3. And with the help of this property, you can find P4. P4 is the sub property of P3. Integration 0 to a f of x dx. Integration 0 to a. According to property number third, now can you tell me x is replaced by what? Because that in property number P third, x is replaced by a plus b minus x. In this a plus 0 minus x, it means a minus x. This is property P4, very important property. according to the board point of view. With the help of this property you can solve many questions. For example, now we take one question, 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Solve this question using the properties of definite integral. Apply P4 in this question. Apply P4. P4 mean x is replaced by a minus x. But you know that when you compare with this, with the original property, the value of a is here pi by 2. Then replace x by pi by 2 minus x dx. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Now can you tell me very simple formula sine 90 minus x? Sine 90 minus x. Because you know that in the case of 90 and 270, t ratio change. It means sine is changed into cos. Therefore you can say cos square x dx. This is second equation. On adding first and second. 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 Sin square x plus cos square x. Simple formula. Sin square x plus cos square x. 1 and I plus I. That is 2i. Integration 0 to pi by 2, 1. Again, sin square x plus cos square x. Property according to the property, that is 1. And integration of 1, you know, x 0 to pi by 2, upper limit minus lower limit. The answer is pi by 2, 2i. And 2 is shifted to the right hand side, therefore the answer is pi by 4. So with the help of this property you can solve most difficult question. The answer of this question is pi by 4. This is property number P4. Clear? Next, property number P6. Property P6. Integration 0 to 2a f of x dx. You can write twice. Integration 0 to a f of x dx. If you satisfy this condition, f of 2a minus x, that is equal to f of x. Property from P6 and P7 both are conditional property. Firstly you have to satisfy the condition. According to the condition you can change the question. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, then you can write this, and 0 if you can write f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Clear? And the property number P7, that is last property, minus a to a f of x dx, that is twice 0 to a f of x dx. If f of minus x is equal to f of x, if you satisfy this condition, it means you can convert the question into twice and limit 0 to f of x dx. This is called even function. This is called even function. And the result is 0 if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. And this is called odd function. Odd function. Clear? These are the 7 properties of definitive integral. Okay students, thank you.